And resolves that this House unequivocally condemns the heinous, cowardly act that resulted in the loss of innocent lives. Such acts of terror are a direct assault on the ethos of Kashmir, the values enshrined in our Constitution and the spirit of unity, peace and harmony that have long characterized Jammu and Kashmir and our nation. This House stands in full solidarity with the victims and their families. We extend our deepest condolences to those who have suffered irreparable loss and affirm our collective resolve to share in their grief and support them in their hour of need. This House salutes the supreme sacrifice of Shaheed, Syed, Adil, Hussain, Shah, who while bravely attempting to save tourists laid down his life. His courage and selflessness embody the true spirit of Kashmir and shall serve as an enduring inspiration for future generations. This House commends the people of Jammu and Kashmir for their extraordinary display of unity, compassion and resilience in the aftermath of attack. The peaceful demonstrations across towns and villages and the spontaneous communal harmony and the rule of the This House commends the people of Jammu and Kashmir for their extraordinary display of unity, compassion and resilience in the aftermath of attack, the peaceful demonstration across towns and villages, and the spontaneous outpouring of moral and material support towards tourists, reaffirm the people's steadfast commitment to peace, communal harmony and the rule of law. This House endorses the diplomatic measures announced by the Union Government on 23rd April 2025 after the meeting of Cabinet Committee on Security. This House is mindful of the sinister design behind the selective targeting of the victims of this attack. It appeals to all sections of the society and in particular the media to not fall victim to this sinister plot by irresponsibly inflaming passions. The need to remain united in the face of this attempted division cannot be overemphasized. This House earnestly appeals to the governments of all states and union territories of India to ensure the safety, dignity and well-being of Kashmiri students and citizens residing or traveling outside Jammu and Kashmir, and to take all necessary measures to prevent any incidents of harassment, discrimination or intimidation. This House calls upon all political parties, religious and community leaders, youth organizations, civil society groups and media houses across the nation to maintain calm, reject violence and divisive rhetoric and work collectively to uphold peace, unity and constitutional values. Further resolve that this Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir reaffirms an unwavering commitment to foster an environment of peace, development and inclusive prosperity for all its citizens, and to resolutely defeat the nefarious design of those who seek to disturb communal harmony and progress of the nation and Jammu and Kashmir.